Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your marketing visuals with Canva to Google. Open your Canva design that you want to backup. Click on the download button located at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the file type you prefer for your visuals, such as PNG or JPEG. After selecting the file type, click on the download button again to save the file to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your computer's Downloads folder. Now, open your Google Drive account in a new browser tab. If you're not signed in, enter your credentials to access your Google Drive. Once in Google Drive, navigate to the folder where you want to store your marketing visuals. Click on the New button located on the left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. In the File Explorer that opens, find the downloaded Canva visuals. Click on the file and select Open to upload it to Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, you will see the files listed in your Google Drive folder. You can also organize them by creating new folders if needed. To ensure your visuals are easily accessible, you can rename them by right-clicking on the file. Select Rename and type in the new name you prefer. Now your marketing visuals are safely backed up in Google Drive. This ensures you can access them anytime from any device. Remember to regularly back up your new visuals to keep everything up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.